Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Splendies. Splendies is a monthly panty subscription. So let me just tell you about it quick before we unbox and take a look at the panties I received for January. So you get 3 pairs every month and it's based off a small profile. You let them know your size. So they're pretty size inclusive. There's like extra small to 4X. And you get to pick what cut or style you like. So you can do like all thongs, all like regular brief type underwear, or a surprise variety. I get the surprise variety, so I will link them down below. They do have a code, I believe, to get 50% off your first month. Normally it is $16.99. I'm pretty sure that's the price. I'm so sorry if I somehow mess that up. But I think they're so cute. You guys, last time I opened this, like a month ago, I was so excited. They were like winter themed panties. I got one panty that had like squirrels on it. It was like so perfect for winter. It was so cute. So I'm really excited to see what we have this month. So it comes in this package here, and let's get started. Again, link below. This is sent to me kindly, free for review, but I don't have an affiliate link or any sponsorship or anything like that. So thank you, Splendies. Thank you guys for being here. How are you doing? Oops, I'm like destroying this bag. So panties come wrapped up in tissue. I'm gonna do a little sneak peek. They're like perfect for Valentine's Day, which is coming up. Oh my gosh. So here's a little, I'm so excited already. Oh my gosh. I love how these are themed. So let's start with the very top one. And this is a thong. So it is red and has white lace trim. This is so cute. Oh, it's got like a little fuzzy on it. At first I was like, what's on my panty? But it's fine. So this is Splendies. Oh my God, I didn't realize this. You guys, look at the lace has little hearts. How freaking cute is this thong? Oh my God. And it seems cotton. Let's double check. Yes. Oh, I think this is so cute. Oh my God, that heart like lace just adds like another layer of cuteness to this. Love it. So this is Splendies brand and it is $12. A lot of people suggest sizing up, and I agree. It depends on the fit you like with your panty. So I get a size large just for reference. They have a size guide on their website you can check out. And then the next pair, so we had like, you know, cute, and now we've got something a little sexy. Ooh, so this is by Wilshire, Montana, and this is full back, but it is lacy and sheer. Here's the front. Look at that detail. Look at that like lace and floral print and those swirls. How cute. And then in the back, we got a little fun surprise. We got this like little open cross stitch area. Ooh, almost dropped it. I love this. I love the color. This is one of those that's like definitely, you know, sexy and hot and cute and stuff, but like also comfortable. Ooh, this will look so cute on everyone. Yes. And this has also a $12 retail value. It says for the lady who has it all. I do have like hundreds of panties, but I don't have one exactly like this or the other ones. I love it. So cute. And then last but not least, we have another like full back pair, and it's so cute. Oh my God, it has hearts on it and the red lace. This is so cute. And this looks like it'll be like a little bit of a cheeky pair, but it's coverage still, you know. This is nylon, a little stretchy. I love the hearts. I like the color, like the nude color or like gold. I can't, it's kind of like leopard print in a way, but hearts. This is so cute. This is Splendies brand. And again, $12. So you get like, pretty much you pay for like 1 1/4 panty, but you get 3. You guys, these are so cute. They have me excited for Valentine's Day. It was only a few weeks away. I love this. I'm trying to think what my favorite pair is. So here we go. I like all, I can't pick. I have issues with favorites sometimes. If you guys get Splendies too, let me know what your panties are like. Are we panty twins? These are so freaking cute. I love that they are all themed. I've gotten Splendies for a while. Like I said, I have like hundreds of panties and they last forever, like through a bunch of washes. They're super comfy. Highly recommend. That was super fun. I love them. I can't pick a favorite. I like all of them. I guess if I had to, maybe these. I don't know. I like them all. I really do like all 3. Let me know your opinions down below. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Like this video, leave a comment. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I love you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.